Kingsley College is a DLI listed college in a Montreal group. So, as this is a very prestigious college, we started by 2 years back only to recruit the international student. We have a very diverse international team who have a great industry experience. Some of them they are already holding a 15 plus industry experience, so they have a great network connection over there. They have a great understanding about the international education also. So being a private college, we are based in Montreal. We have kind of a facilities provided to the college, as all the programs are offering with a postgraduate work permit to the student, which is the most important fact. The student is looking to apply in a college in Canada. So the location of our campus is at Sherbrooke Street, which is the second longest street in the Montreal. So why we focused on the second longest street? Because in Canada, every location is like mostly they have a street-based areas. So in Montreal, we most hot popular location for the international education or the international students, we can say. The reason behind is most of the companies, most of the universities are situated on that particular area. Talk about Facebook, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Cisco, IBM. All companies are situated on that particular area, along with other universities like McGill University, LaSalle College. These colleges are also on that particular area. So the location is very common to the student. This don't face any hurdle by traveling to different places from the bus. We provide accommodation to all students, so which is just 5 minute distance from the campus. In a Thomas, and after that we can help the student for the same. If from campus there's a connectivity is also available, which is 15-minute distance from the campus. Any students who roam around, they just go for a 15 minutes, and after that they can take the connectivity. Apart from this, Montreal have a very good facility. If they have a student pass within $2 in a day, they can travel anywhere in the Montreal, which is you can say a very reasonable amount being a student student actually. In terms of initially we are offering all the programs which are 2 years, and the programs are situated by the ACE station side. Can say based on programs, because why we used to skills program, because every year Canadian government do publish a skill shortage list. So if you we call AEC programs, those all are the diplomas, and those are diploma of a 2 year along with the so diploma which we are offering is a cyber security and ethical hacking. This is again a 2 year diploma with co. So what co-op is? Co-op is an internship. So after completing the program, college will help the student for an internship, which is a mandatory component of the program. If student is not completing internship, they will not get the diploma. The tuition fees for this cybersecurity ethical hacking program is $12,000 per year. So second program which we are offering, the software quality assurance program, which is again a 2 year diploma. Fees is 12,000 Canadian dollars. In terms of intake, we have 5 intakes in a year, which is January, March, May, July, and September. All the intakes are open for the international students. So currently we are approaching for January intake. So if any student who's looking to apply for this program, they can approach for a January intake. We are open for March also, but we prefer to take an application for January intake. So recently, Canadian government published and states that by 2023, there will be more than 50,000 jobs available for the specifically cybersecurity profession. So some students, are worried that after completing the cybersecurity program or software quality assurance program, what kind of a job opportunities they will get. Might be we'll just work as a hacker, or they can work as a quality assurance engineer only. But no, they have n number of job opportunities available. They can work as a software tester, user acceptance, software construction engineer, all are open for those students. So, as I told you, that recently government more than 1,000 job opportunities available specifically for the IT professions, which is again a great opportunity for the student, because by the time they'll complete their diploma, they will get a job. So they hurdle by finding the job. We are accepting the application on the any graduate student or any postgraduate student are able to. So we yes maths, but in our program they are looking for a software qualifications. We don't need maths. Also, we need 6 overall with no band less than 155. We are also accepting PT, which is 56 overall, no band less than 51 in one module. If the student have this kind of a score, they are eligible to take admission in our college. Apart from this, we are accepting all open universities and open boards. So students studied from the open university or open board, they are still eligible to take admission. I just wanted to highlight one thing. Above 18 student only can apply for QBEC and below 33. So if they are above 18 and below 33, they are eligible to file their application for Kingsley College. If they are above this age, so we can't accept that. If student who complete their bachelor education, so we cannot accept more than 7 backlogs in their bachelor education. Rest above that, we can do that. These internship for internship for the interview preparation. We after completing the program, we circulate their CVs to different companies for the job placement, and we train them for the job interview also. So once they till the time they didn't got the job, we help the student for the job. After that also we help them for any further opportunities whatever they are looking. So this is from my end as of now. If you have any further question, please do let me know.
Thank you, Nimi. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Richard.
There was basically, we were not able to hear Nimi properly. So Nimi, you be there. I will try to check if I can play your presentation again for people who have missed it. And maybe I will, you can correct me if I go anywhere wrong.
Perfectly fine, Jake.
Okay.
We just received one question. Diploma programs are after 10+2. Yes, these diplomas are after 10+2. So after completing the program 12, they are eligible to enroll. Simultaneously, if they have 10+3 education also, they are eligible to enroll.
Okay. So let me introduce Kingsley College to you guys. The benefit of going to Canada is because one, if you do a 1-year program, you get 1 year of work permit, and if you go for a 2 years program, you get 3 years of work permit. Am I right, Nimi?
Right, perfectly.
Okay. So once you go there for a program, you are going there for study, then you can work, and once you get a job offer letter, you can apply for your PR, and probably within 2 years you can get your PR. Am I right, Nimi?
Yes, yes. But in Quebec, there is a very high possibility that after completing the education, they will get a PR within a year also.
Right. So
Right.
in Quebec, you will get it faster.
Exactly.
You will get most probably within a year. So that's why this college, Kingsley College, is unique. Okay, that's why basically this college presents to you that people who have less budget, people who have not taken maths, and who want to study abroad after 12 and are interested in IT programs like cyber security or software quality assurance, then Kingsley College could be the choice for you. Okay. Am I making any sense to everybody? Okay. The job opportunities that they mentioned are many. These are the job opportunities that you can see, which you can avail. But what's important is Kensley College also supports you in job opportunities. They are there to basically provide, they help you to prepare your CV, circulate your CV to the industries, probably gets, see how you can get job. So they give you the platform for you to connect with the industry. Am I right, Nimi?
Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. So I just wanted to highlight one more thing. There are a very few, you can say, universities and college in Quebec who are offering a cybersecurity diploma. We are one of them. Only two, we can say three, including us, universities and college are there who's offering cybersecurity diploma in Quebec.
Okay,
So,
perfect.
if student is looking to apply in for cybersecurity diploma, they have an amazing opportunity. Plus, our diploma is affiliated by EC Council, which is the one of the best body in Canada. So, let's suppose if you are looking for any government job after completing the program, you will get some kind of advantages.
So it has got the right accreditations that will help you to get into good jobs. It's well known. You can even get into government jobs. These are some of the advantage. One more advantage is the IELTS score. It requires a 6 band with no band less than 5.5. So that is also an advantage. So the cost, no mass, less score, and little less score in IELTS is something that Kensley can help you to get admissions. Okay. Did I miss anything?
Not really, Richard.
Okay. So if you have any questions on Kinsley, you can let me know and I will ask Nimi about it.
So I think we
Okay.
receive one question, which is scholarship criteria. So in terms of scholarship, we are offering the scholarship if any student who scored above 65% in their academic and 6.5 no band less than 6 in IELTS, then we can offer the $1,000 scholarship to that student.
Perfect. So you heard about the scholarship, right? There is one more question which is about, they don't offer career in finance, they offer in IT. So that is what they offer. They are specialized in, the accreditation is well known for IT. And if you are looking for IT programs, I told you that each institute is unique. What they offer is unique. So unless until basically you attend all of them, you will not understand what they offer you in terms of everything. What is the application fee that they have to pay?
Currently, we are giving an application fee waiver if any student who's looking to apply you guys, which is 250 Canadian dollar. Yes. So, but this is valid for January intake only. If you are looking to apply further to that, then you need to pay the application fees.
So the good news is, if you are part of the Student University Webinar Season 4, and if you want to apply to Kensley College, you can join our WhatsApp group. And once you make an application to us, you will get $250 application fee waiver. Have I heard it right, Nimi?
Right. Perfectly fine.
Perfect. So that's the benefit of basically attending Student University Webinar 4. The next question is from Mustafa. Sorry, I'm not able to. Okay. We should go after 12th or after graduation for study abroad. Which will be the best? Mustafa, basically, please understand, if you can afford to go after 12th, then it is the best, because visas are better after 12th. Getting admission is one thing, getting visa is second thing. A lot of visas are rejected on the basis of potential immigrant. They believe that once you go there, you will settle. So if you are going as an undergraduate student, the chances of rejections are a little less. Also, when you are young, you are able to adapt to things faster, the technology faster, the people faster, the work faster. So you are able to do better. So mostly, if you can afford it, after 12th would be a good choice. If not, then after graduation. The next question is, diploma, mechanical courses, doctorate. Okay. Okay. Most of the programs that you are telling is, you will have tomorrow Troy University, which is the largest university in US. It has a lot of programs, thousands of programs. So probably that would be the best. But when you're talking about Kingsley, the unique point that I again want to tell about Kingsley College is one, basically the courses are well accredited. So you have better job prospects, both in private as well as in public. Second, you don't require maths to basically get into the IT programs. If you apply to some of the IT colleges, they will tell you that maths is a prerequisite to get into the program. So here, maths is not a requirement. So suppose you have not taken in 11th and 12th maths, still you are eligible to apply to the programs. Third, basically the cost is reasonable. So you can basically look at Kingsley College for the cost. Fourth, there is the application fee waiver. Fifth, they offer scholarship. Sixth, they have job placement service, so you can look for jobs and low IELTS score. So these are some of the advantages that you get. Can I go after my 10th? No, you can't go after your 10th. You will have to do your 12th and you can then go after 12th. Okay. Okay. Please send the list of universities that are offering science programs, especially biology. I mean, very difficult. You will have to attend to understand which university is offering science programs, especially biology, right? The event is free, but if you are going to ask me specific questions on me doing research on each university and providing you the list, it would be difficult for us. More important could be for you to attend if you are serious enough to understand which of these universities are offering science programs, especially biology, where you can get admission and where you can look for scholarships. Okay. Any opportunities for medicine study in Canada? Yes, there are opportunities for medicine studies in Canada, but Kingsley College is not the one that can offer. I also need to know about science program. Fine. Then you will have to, there are a lot of universities from Canada that are attending, that offering science programs. Probably you can attend to those ones. Is career counseling consultation service available? ARCA, there is a link provided in the chat box. You can click on the link, fill the Google form. This is study abroad counseling available. So if you want to go study abroad counseling, yes, a Zoom one-on-one personalized Zoom free study abroad counseling is available. We can get citizenship easily in Serbia. So probably we are not right now, we don't have anything in Serbia, but if you are looking for Serbia, then okay. Is okay. Is business analysis course available? I guess they are having the course in cyber security and
software quality assurance. So that both comes under the IT section only. We don't have a business program, or we can say biomedical or biotechnology programs.
Ankit, yes, you can go after your diploma. If you have done after 10th, if you have 3 years of diploma, probably you're qualified. Nimi, can you answer that question for me, please?
Yes. See, if they did a diploma after 10th education, they are perfectly fine and they are eligible. So they just need to score 55% in their diploma, and then they can, ready to take admission for both the programs.
Okay. So regarding a lot of courses that are basically for biotechnology or any other program that you are looking for, you need to attend each day's university webinar. Please understand the webinar is free. We are not charging you. The information is free. The universities are invited so that they can share the details with you, so that you can benefit from these universities, understand what they are going to offer, take this benefit and apply it for yourself wherever possible. So, attend these webinars if you're looking for other programs. If you're looking specifically in cybersecurity or quality assurance, and if you're looking to apply for Canada, then Kingsley College is definitely one of the important choice that you can make, because the program is accredited, it has got high acceptance, and second year 84 marks. Ankit, yes, if 84 marks is what? It's about your percentage.
Exactly. Percentage, if they have a complete percentage of 84%, then we are happy to take admission and we can offer the scholarship also. But if you have an individual 84 marks, then we need to see the mark sheet.
Right. So it's your percentage. It's your percentage, not marks.
Marks,
If you tell me about your percentage, probably Nimi can help you to understand whether you're eligible or not. And
right.
I wanted to ask you, Nimi, how much time it takes for the processing?
Okay, so as rest other like student is facing very hurdle in terms of getting the admission offer letter because they need to wait for 15-20 days. But in our college, we are providing the offer letter within 2 working days. So we can say 48 hours. Within 48 hours, they will receive the offer letter. And once we give the offer letter to the student. After that, they can make the payment, and again within 48 hours, they will receive the LO. So we are also giving the conditional offer letter to the student on the basis of English language eligibility. So if any student who's looking to appear for the English language test, that student is eligible to take a conditional offer.
Okay, so I'll explain what Nimi told. Basically, if suppose you have not given IELTS based on your academics and other things, the college can offer a conditional letter of acceptance. Am I right?
Right. Perfect.
And then basically you can if your all documents are ready, or if you are basically if you submit the documents without your IELTS within 48 hours, they will process the application and then tell you whether you are eligible or whether you're not eligible. And there is no application fee. So the $250 application fee is waived, and that is only for Jan 2022 intake. So if you are looking to apply for Jan 2022, then you can apply. You can click on the link, join the WhatsApp group, and we will help you to apply to this college. And the benefit, what I've told you earlier, I'll just repeat it one more time. Canada is one country that can help you to migrate easily. You go there, you study, you work, and you settle. You do 1 year program, you get 1 year of work permit. You do 2 years of program, you get 3 years of work permit. The day you get a job offer letter, you can file for your PR. In most overall Canada, it takes 2 years. In Quebec, it will take less than 1 year to get your PR. Job facilities are available in ample. Once you become a Canada PR, you can also work in US. You don't need to work. Don't need to apply for visa. So there are a lot of things available which you can use to apply when you want to apply for Kent State College. Any other questions that I could take?
Okay, how is Kent State
University rated?
It's a university. It's not a university. It's a college. First of all, Vincent, right? So Vincent, we are a college. We are a DLI listed college based in a Quebec. We are university. But yes, if you are looking to, after completing university, is still available to you.
I know. Let me ask that question in a different way. I wanted to know, basically, if a student who has done 2 years of diploma after the 12th, one, so basically he has an option of getting jobs directly. Second option, suppose he wants to go to a university and get a bachelor's degree. Do you have such facility as well?
No, because we like after completing our diploma, if they are looking for a higher education, that facility is available, not to us, but yes, there are certain universities who are situated in a Quebec. They can take a credit transfer with them, but like as per the pathways or transfer program, which is not available with us.
Okay, so that type of facility where they can take a credit transfer and they can finish the bachelor's in a less number of years, and that is option is available. Mostly, basically, people will like to finish the program and work immediately. So makes sense.
Exactly.
Why diploma in counseling makes a difference with respect to curriculum?
Okay, so as I told you, our curriculum is affiliated by the EC Council, which is a very prestigious body. Very few universities and colleges are affiliated by that EC Council. So in Quebec, there are only two universities and colleges are affiliated by the EC Council. One is our college, second one is McGill University. So while studying in our college, definitely you have an advantage because you are getting a great educational knowledge, great curriculum also. Simultaneously, we do have a like they are helping us for you to in terms of the placement also, in terms of internship also. So after completing the program, you don't face any.
Okay. So you have it's well accredited, you have internship opportunities, you have job opportunities, you have job support assistance available. So thank you, Nimi. Thank you for answering all those questions, for being here, for being present. I understand there was an internet problem, but you kept yourself going, which is good. Again, thank you, Nimi. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much,
And
Chad.
okay. And to everybody else, it is important that tomorrow again we are going to be there at 6:20 p.m. and we are going to have Troy University, which is from Alabama University, Alabama, USA, which is one of the largest university in US. It offers bachelor's, master's, MBA, doctorate. So it offers all the programs. So all those biotechnology, all those agriculture, and all those things that you had asked, you can ask all those questions tomorrow, and the university officials will be ready to answer your question. That's what we have to basically present you today.